Alright, children. Today we're going to be watching a movie to help you understand chemical bonds. Yes, Sister Mary Catherine?
Can we watch LeBron dance?
That doesn't exist.
Hello, this is Agent 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of the Intermolecular Force. We are currently searching for 3 high-profile suspects from the dark side that are wanted for pirating electrons. They call themselves the Bond Girls. It's your job to help the Intermolecular Force find these criminals. Here is all the information you need to know.
Covalent bond.
What'd I do?
It was formed between 2 nonmetals with electronegativity difference of less than 2.0. Formed when 2 atoms share 1 or more electrons. It could be nonpolar if the electrons are shared equally between 2 atoms, or polar if one atom tends to dominate the time that it holds the shared electron. Greater the electronegativity difference between the 2 atoms, the more polar it becomes. It is soft, has a low melting and boiling point, and is a poor conductor of heat and electricity.
Ionic bond. It is reported to have formed between 2 elements, a metal and a nonmetal, with a difference in electronegativity of greater than 2.0. The atom with a greater electronegativity takes an electron from another atom, forming a positive and negative ion, and the 2 ions are attracted to each other. Ionic bond is said to form molecules that are hard, good conductors of electricity in solution, have high melting and boiling points, and dissolve in polar substances such as water.
Metallic bond.
Bond. Metallic bond.
They are formed between metals only, made of positive ions floating in a sea of mobile electrons that are shared by all of the positive ions. They are malleable, hard, and good conductors of heat and electricity as solid or liquids.
Thank you, Junior Agents, for your help. This is Agent 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd from the Intermolecular Force, signing out. It starts as a casual conversation. Hello, Oxygen. How would you like to share some electrons?
Oh, I've been wanting to feel my outer shell.
If each of us shares one of our electrons with you, then you can fill your outer shell with 8 electrons, and we can fill our outer shell with 2 electrons instead of 1.
Do you mean like this?
Then it gets more serious. Sometimes I find my electron lust for you so overwhelming that I just wish me and you could be positive ions swimming in a sea of mobile electrons together. Before you know it. Yo, give me your 1 outer valence electron.
I'm positive!
And now, I'm a negative ion. Now we are attracted to each other.
So what'd you all learn? Wally babes?
Ionic bond.
So what can you tell me about ionic bonds, Kimmy Yackle?
It's formed between a metal and a nonmetal when an electron is transferred from one atom to another.
Anything to add? Go, Pat.
So, let me get this straight. Covalent bonds are when 2 nonmetals share 1 or more electrons.
Now raise your paws in the air if you're not getting this. Dragon Force?
Could you clarify metallic bonds for me?
Why don't we have Tweedledum over there explain it? You just called him Mr. Dumb. Metallic bonds are formed between metals only and are made of positive ions floating in a sea of mobile electrons that are shared by all of the positive ions. Mr. Dumb. Alright, everyone understand? Vodka, Tweedledummer, strawberry? Alright guys, I have a really funny joke for you. Why did the white bear dissolve in water? It was a polar bear!